Before you even touch wax, know your skin type. Sensitive? Dry? Combo? Your prep changes everything. Use aloe or oatmeal-based cleansers beforehand. Dry skin cracks during waxing. Hydrate 24 hours prior. City tip: Londoners prefer chamomile-based products for prep. Your hair length matters, don't skip this rule. Ideal: to inch grain of rice. Too short equals patchy results. Too long equals pain. Trim with scissors, not razors. Common mistake in New York apartments: rushing with trimmers. Never wax without cleaning the area first. Sweat, lotions, or sunscreen equals waxing disaster. Use an alcohol-free wipe to prep, especially crucial in warm climates like Sydney or Miami. Set up a clean, bright waxing space. Use daylight or strong LED lights. Disinfect surfaces. Hygiene is clean. Toronto waxers often use mirrors angled under. The wax or hot wax vs strip wax. Hot wax, best for coarse bikini hair. Strip wax, great for legs or arms. Soft wax sticks more to skin equals higher pain. Popular in Germany, sugaring as an eco option. Always test wax temperature seriously. Use wrist to test first. Overheated wax equals burns. Nordic regions often use digital warmers for accuracy. Apply wax with the grain, remove against it, reduces ingrown hairs. Makes removal smoother. Short, controlled strips work best. Don't double dip your wax stick. Hygiene alert: leads to bacterial infections. Use one stick per dip. Professional tip: line up several sticks beforehand. Tighten the skin before you pull, reduces pain and bruising. Use opposite hand or a towel. Breathe out as you pull. Berliners use yoga-style breathing, works wonders. Always pull parallel to the skin. Word: pulls equals broken hair. Stay low and swift. One smooth motion. Treat redness instantly. Apply aloe vera or post-wax gel. Avoid perfume or alcohol-based lotions. Ice pack equals instant relief. London's estheticians recommend green tea compresses. Exfoliate, but only at the right time. Use gentle scrub or dry brew, prevents ingrowns. Miami Beach waxers swear by coconut oil plus sugar mix. Choose your waxing tools wisely. Invest in a quality wax warmer. Tweezers for cleanup, never reuse. Aussies prefer wide spatulas for speed. Know when not to wax. Avoid during periods, pain sensitivity. No waxing over cuts, sunburns, or rashes. Post-retinol users. Pause 5-7 days. Berlin dermatologists warn about antibiotic interactions. Whether you're prepping for vacation, confidence, or comfort, a smooth Brazilian wax is totally doable. Comment below your biggest waxing win or fail line. Subscribe and comment.